if you're a manufacturer and distributor looking for an enterprise resource planning solution, but you're worried about the impact of on-premise deployment on your cash flow, look no further than SYSPRO Managed Cloud Services. When you shift the management and hosting of your ERP infrastructure to SYSPRO, you receive immediate value without the upfront investment or business pains typically associated with building out, maintaining, and upgrading on-premise IT infrastructure, freeing you up to focus on running your business rather than your IT. SYSPRO gives you a fully managed infrastructure where all your needs and requisites are taken care of, and you only pay for the resources you use. Deployed by SYSPRO and hosted on the Microsoft Azure cloud platform in data centers throughout the world, it focuses on security, privacy, compliance, and transparency. It offers you 24/7 monitoring, maintenance, and support included in a single monthly fee, allowing you to manage your expenses more effectively. It is flexible enough to meet your unique needs with an option to transition to a hybrid cloud environment. It can be turned on within a few days or even hours, allowing you to be up and running quickly. You can access all your SYSPRO data anytime, any-place, using any device, and it streamlines your adoption of new technologies while you carry on with business as usual. SYSPRO Managed Cloud Services lets you expand or contract your computing power in line with business demand without compromising on performance. Stringent security policies ensure your critical business data is safe and sound in the cloud. And best of all, you know your mission-critical systems are being diligently looked after by people with the right skill set. Now you can focus on manufacturing instead of IT.